Hello, beautiful people. This one is again on a treasured part of my collection of old things, and it is something that gives me pleasure on a daily basis. So, what you have here is an antique hand carved brass tray. Now, this one I believe my mum got during one of her trips as a child when they were passing through Moradabad. I'm not certain, but it's many, many years old. And I remember while I was growing up seeing this on her dressing table, and she would keep her lipsticks in this tray. And when I got older, she passed this tray on to me, and now I've kept an assortment of things, and now finally I've settled on keeping these wonderful hand blown glass bottles with natural perfumes. So that itself has another wonderful memory. So these bottles and the perfume are things that I got from Egypt on our first trip abroad as a couple many years ago. And these are hand blown beautiful bottles with a stopper. So, and you need to dip this in and rub this on your wrists at the base of your neck and basically all your pulse points, and then massage it in gently. Though it's oily, it's not cloying and it does not stain your clothes, and the fragrance lingers for the whole day. So this one is in green and it holds the lemon essence. This is orange and holds orange blossom. Then there's the lily of the valley and there's jasmine. I also have a surma dani, something that I always remember using as a child or in my teenage years. So this tray is full of memories. It's beautifully carved and it's really sturdy. Something that I notice all old things usually have is sturdiness and strength along with the fragility of beauty. So every time I look at this rests on my dressing table currently, and every time I look at it, I think of my mother. My mum's no longer with me. However, it's these small things of hers that I have around my home that make me feel really blessed and really close to her. So look around your homes. You'll find many old things which you've forgotten about. Rediscover their beauty. Learn to take pleasure from them. Create these little spots of joy in your home, and you'll see how good you feel. An antique has two values. One is the monetary value, and two are the memories associated with it. For me, it's always the second, and I cherish each of these greatly. I hope you enjoyed this little peek into another area that brings me so much joy. Go find your own spots of joy. Have a great day.